Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word sculpture. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The museum showcased several impressive sculptures created by local artists. A sculpture is a work of art created by shaping or carving materials such as wood, stone, or metal into three-dimensional forms or figures. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.